start with the great name of Allah, the most merciful and kind. My name is Sohail Manjato from the BSCS 2K18 based from the University of Sindh campus, Larkana. Today we are discussing about the topic on the operation research, and this lecture organized by Sir Zamir Hussain Tayo. So here are the contents of this operation research. First, history of operation research. Second is northwest corner method, and last, least cost method. These are the contexts that about we discussing about it. First, history of operation research. Based on the history of operation research, it is believed that Charles Babbage in 1791 to 1871 is the father of operational research due to the fact that his research into the cost of transportation and sorting of mail resulted in England universal penny post in 1840. After that, the name Operation Research involved in the year 1940 during the World War II. A team of scientists that name is Blackheath Circus in UK applied a scientific techniques to research military operation to win the war, and techniques thus developed was named as Operation Research. So we understand that Operation Research in 1940 during World War II used for the scientific techniques that how we win the war and how we use our weapons. After that, as a formal discipline, operation research originated from the efforts of army advisors at the time of World War II. In the year following the war, the method started to be employed extensively to problems in business, industry, and society. Ever since then, or has developed into a subject frequently employed in the industries, including petrochemicals, logistics, airlines, finance, governments, etc. Northwest corner method. The northwest corner rule is a method that adopted to compute the initial feasible solution of the transportation problem. The name northwest corner is given to this method because the basic variable are selected from the extreme left corner, means that we always start from the in this problem from left corner. So second point is solve northwest corner transportation problem. Given problem is balance. So here the table and problem already is given. So here are the supply and demand. We have three sources. First we start from the left corner and we check the supply and demand where is minimum and maximum value. So demand is minimum and supply is maximum. So we point out the demand in left corner. We point out the demand and demand minus from the supply because the supply is maximum and the demand is minimum. So we selected the demand at point out here and the demand minus from the supply. In next step, this row in next step, this row is already deleted because this is rule of this problem. So demand minus from the supply. In next step here, same we selected from the left corner and we always check the supply and demand where is minimum x maximum value. So our demand is 350 and supply is 50. So we point out the supply and supply minus from the demand. So this row, after in next step, this row is already deleted. Okay, come on next step here. Same here, we always check the demand and supply starting from the left corner. So demand is 300 and supply is 400. So we point out the demand and demand minus from the supply. So supply is 400, demand is 300. So we select this column and point out there the demand. After in next step, this column is delete. So same here, we are start from the left corner and check the supply and demand. So our supply is 100 and demand is 400. So we point out the supply and the supply minus from the demand. Okay, so supply minus from the demand. In next step, this row is deleted. Same here, we check the supply and demand. So demand is 300, supply is 500. So we point out the demand and demand minus from the supply. Same, after that this column is deleted in next step. So here our problem is complete. So supply 200, demand 200, it's a 0 0 equal, our method is solved. After that, least cost method. The least cost method is another method used to obtain the initial feasible solution for the transportation problem. Here the allocation begins with the cell which has the minimum cost. The lower cost cells are chosen over the higher cost cell with the objective to have the least cost transportation. Same here, but in this problem we start from the where in cells minimum value. After that, in second point that is solve transportation problem. The given transportation problem is balanced. Means if this problem not balanced, that we cannot solve this problem. So here we first check in this all cells where the minimum value is available. So 4 is minimum value, we point out here, but in same in this problem we check supply and demand, where is minimum and maximum value. So our supply is 40, our demand is 20. So we point out the 20, we point out the 20 minimum value and demand minus from the supply is same. In next step, this column is deleted. After in this problem, we check the minimum value in the cells. So here is 6 is minimum value in the cell. And after that, we check the supply and demand, where is minimum and maximum value. So supply is 60 and demand is 50. So demand is minimum, we demand minus from the supply. Supply is maximum, demand is minimum. So we in next step we remove this column. In next step, same here, we select from the minimum sales value. So 6 is minimum value. After that, we check the where is supply and demand maximum. So supply is 20, demand is 30. So supply minus from the demand. After that, this row, in next step, this row is deleted. After that, here we check the where is minimum value in the cells. So 7 is minimum. We selected this, point out their value and check the supply and demand. Supply and demand is equal 10 10. Then we remove anyone. In next step, after that, 7 is minimum and 8 is maximum. So we selected the 7. After that, we check the supply and demand. So our supply is 10 and demand is 50. So supply minus from the demand. And after that is this row is deleted in next step. Same here, it is the last and our problem is completely solved. After that, we here allocate the all location where our problem is selected. So 4 multiply 26 multiply 50. These are allocations which is selected in this problem. The total allocation is 960. Thank you.